Hello everybody, I'm a citizen of the Republic of Kazakhstan. My name is Ergazi Tursunbek. My father's brother, Tursunbek Januzak, was born in 1964 in Xinjiang region, Tarbagatai area, Sawan district, village of Burtunku in Qing'an village in the China. He graduated the Islamic University in the China and was an Imam in mosque of the Burtunku village. At the end of 2017, he was locked without any reasons. Actually, by law in China, any legitimate Imam has the right to religious activities, and now they just contradict the law and bar all Imams in Xinjiang region. I ask, World Islamic Society, World Society of the Protection of Human's Rights, and also Chinese government, please let them go and give freedom.